Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to play with me a number game? Our numbers are hidden inside these colorful dice. Can you help me to find them and put back on this puzzle board? So let's start. We have a tongue. With the help of this tongue, we pick up number. First we take this one. What we get first? Do you know about this number? It's a number 20. 20. Where we should put number 20 in this puzzle board? At the end of the puzzle board. Here come number 20. The next we take this one. Now we get beautiful number 3. Can you speak with me? 3. Great. Number 3. 1, 2, 3. Put it right there. Do you know what is the next number we will get here? Let's see. We take now this one. It's a number 16. 1, 6, 16. Where we should put? Here? It's not fit. Here? Yes, it got perfectly. Number 16. Now we select this one. This is the number 11. 1, 1, 11. You have any idea where we should place number 11? Match the shape. Yes, that's right. It's a perfect place. Now the time to select this one. What we get here now? This is number 2. Speak with me. 2. Number 2 come just before number 3. I'm so wonder what we get next number. Now we get number 19. 1, 9, 19. Do you know where we should place number 19? It comes just before number 20. The next we select this one. We get number 6. This is number 6. Number 6 we should place right there. Now we choose the number this. What we have get now? This is number 18. 1, 8, 18. Now it's your turn. Tell me where we should place number 18. Just before number 19. Now we take this one. Let's see what we get now. We got number 8. Do you know about this color? It's a green color like a tree. Number 8, where we should place? Here? Not fit. Here. Again, no. It come here. Now we select this one. Let's see what we get from here. It's a number 17. 1, 7, 17. Number 17 we should place just after number 16. Now we take this one. This is the number 7. Speak with me. 7. And color is yellow, just like a mango. Number 7 we should place between 6 and 8. The next we will choose this one. This is the number 14. 1, 4, 14. Number 14 come here. Let's place the number 14 right there. The next we select this one. This is the number 9. Number 9 color is light blue color, just like a sky. Now it's your turn. Where we should place number 9? It comes just after number 8. 8, 9. And wonder what we get next. Now we select this one. Here we got number 15. 1, 5, 15. This is number 15. We should place here. Now we take this one. This is number 1. Speak with me. 1. It's my favorite number. Number 1. We should place number 1 right there. Let's find the next number inside rainbow rice. Here we get number 4. This is number 4. Tell me where we should place number 4. Just after number 3. Next number we will get now. Here number 5. Orange color number 5. Number 5 come just after number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's find the next one. Now we select this one. What we get here? Here got number 10. 1, 0, 10. Number 10. Number 10 come here. Next number is, let's see what we get here. Number 12. 1, 2, 12. Number 12 we should place here. Now we will find next. Let's see what we get. Here we got 13. 1, 3, 13. This is number 13. Come right there. Find the next. Here we got number 0. Speak with me. 0. Number 0 come at the first place of this puzzle board. Let's do one more time. Start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay kids, see you soon in next video. Keep learning, keep growing. Take care. Bye bye.